You know, God showing that He's God. Remember, He took you from zero, you know, and He lifted you so He can get you down. So God is just showing that He's God. So that I saw God yesterday. Oh, you should have seen how I walked. You should have seen, because what happened after I finished the live, and the dogs, they came to pick my dogs. Thank you, Lance Tatelious, I'm going to get my dogs tomorrow. Because I messaged a lady from Lance Tatelious and I said, now I have accommodation and I need my babies, you know, because they keep me, you know, yeah, Joanne's accommodation. I'm just here to see Joanne, you know, then I have to go back to pick my dogs and go to the accommodation which I have been given. Taura up, thank you so much for paying my accommodation for 6 months. I love you. Mazimbabweans are in Sweden. Thank you. I got calls from people I never expected. Kuti vachandifonera Queen uyai nembwa dzenyu tozviziva kuti makatorerwa mota kwirai train muuye nenana dogi. Thank you, my Zimbabweans. Unoziva, when I do entertainment, it's entertainment. But nditori munhu aripo mufungi. Those people who know me from you know, the roots, the likes of Vamtarisi, Tinashe Mutarisi, thank you for the love. The likes of Olinda, you know, that one, if she loves someone, she loves, whether unombo mtuka or what. When Olinda loves you, she loves you. My big sister Wilma Sweeney, everyone. Munozipakatumidzirwa mari yo hansana mboitumidzirwa muupenyu wangu. Ndachitaura naShumba ndakati mari yakapinda, zvikanzi shh. So regai ndisataura amount, but it's shocking how people, they took mari dzavo dzemuriwo, they took mari dzavo marent, they took mari dzavo dzanga vachatengira vana maPlaystation, they took mari dzavo. I'm just still traumatized. Zvakaitika nezuro. You know, yes, I knew kuti handidiwe nevanhu vakawanda because of my energy. People dislike me in the community because I'm too loud. But I never knew that I was hated to the extent that policemen will come with guns wanting to kill me. If I ended up being violent, maybe my kunzi be violent and vakandipfura ndaita violent. I don't know, you know. That's why I was saying I'm not feeling safe in Sweden. I need to get my dogs and plan to leave, you know. And some people are saying, no, Tatelious. I was speaking with Wakoma Tilda, and she said, no, you need to stay. You never know. God, when God is doing something bad, a tragedy goes, you know. And she started, you know, telling me about, I remember it was tragedy, then breakthrough, tragedy, breakthrough. Ndakabuda ndakasunga Zambia, like, you know, ndakangobuda ndakasunga Zambia ne jacket ne trousers. Uchabvunza kuti ko mapirizi edzi vanokubloka. I said that they didn't want me to get my medicine. And what happened? The house has been ongoing. For those people who would ask my side, I'm now speaking. Yesterday you saw their side. The house has been ongoing. I got this house as a gift from my ex-husband 2017, and we divorced in 2018, and he left me, and I started paying payment plans, you know, not because he told me to, but because I didn't want to lose my house. Then according to Swedish law, they don't care, you know, if you pay up on behalf of someone, it's not your thing. It's that someone, he took the bank loan. Yakatora bank loan. So wakatora bank loan yemba. Iwe watora bank loan ndononyorwa. They write you your name. So I tried to speak with him. Richard, please, can I continue? He always gave me a condition. And the condition was, I need to come there and see what is happening. And you know, I'll get afraid because the way it ended with Richard, it didn't end well. You know, he took some money from the Tatenda movement and he went, and the Tatenda movement was silenced, you know. So it didn't end well. So I was just thinking that since we have bad blood, it won't be good for us to meet again. So I always blocked him not to come to the house. He always come here, I left this of mine. I left. Then I said, no, tell me, I'll send it to you. So from there, when I said, no, no one is coming here, why did he want to come? What if he came with a gun and he killed me? You know, because I know some things about him, which I'm not here for. I was speaking with Simba Chikanza, and I said, it won't be fair if I go deep on Richard when he's not here. But if Richard is on my side and I have my phone, I will say, Richard, can I play this? Richard, can I show the people this? You know, I know things. But out of maturity, autaure muna asipo, muna ntauro haripo. But nyayemba, it has been, you know, it has gone viral. Everyone, you saw it. And what moved me was, when I started the life, the police, they ran away. They closed their faces. And these police officers who came yesterday, don't blame them. They are big boss at Anos and Commune, Anos and Police. He doesn't like me. You saw what I was speaking when I was standing, when they removed me from my house and I was standing by the dustbins. The guy I was speaking with, he was actually one of the best police officers. He was very kind because they had given that guy a gun to go and shoot my dogs. So he was given an order to say, go and kill the dogs. But he said, come, Tate. He was calling me Tate. Tats. It was Tate. He was calling me Tate. Tate, come. Can you start with the Lee and Boyga Bruce? Start with the Mandela. Go and with Chami, you know. I was packing my dogs in the car. I never do that. They stayed in the car for 4 hours. So you see, if I'm not going to do some lives for a long time, the trauma is too much. You know, people who don't like you, they are good when they say they don't like you. But when you are not liked by the police, it's dangerous. You know, and I asked the police, what did I do? Then he said, no, my dear. We have a job, we were told to go and do this. And those Chronofogden women, the two ladies, the Ulrika Johnson and Helena Helena Liden, those are narcissistic racists. I think they have been working for Chronofogden, the bailiff company, for as many years as they can. But because it intimidated them to see a black woman. Because what happened before the house was auctioned, I was at work, you know, and they came and broke the door and evaluated my house. They broke the door, those bailiffs, and evaluated. Then I got a call. Where are you? We want to give you new keys. New keys? Who are you? No, we are the Chronofogden. Then I said, why did you not send me a paper to tell me that you were coming? I would have left the keys for you. They said, you should come to Sunsville. No, I don't come to Sunsville. Leave my keys under the mat, you know? And they left the keys under the mat. So from the beginning, this started happening when? Long time ago. When was I at that job? 2021. It happened around December. That's when they came and broke the door and, you know, evaluated the house and what. We were wrong when we thought that we were going to be given money of the kitchen. No, it doesn't work like that. I spoke with the lawyer, one of the best lawyers in Hanosand, and she said, Tatelious, there is no money of the kitchen, or they just evaluate the house. And if you have debts, they are going to liquidate those debts to your debts. So we are not going to get anything from that house. It was an experience. But no one deserves to be treated the way I want to. I was treated yesterday. And if the boss, I know the boss will watch, the boss of the police, call me at your office and you tell me what I did wrong and I apologize. Because it's you who will have this anger of wanting to kill me. You know, when I am just 5 minutes or 10 minutes away from your office, call me, summon me to your office and you tell me, Tatelious, in 2004, you did this. In 2020, you did this. In 2018, you did this. Then I will ask for forgiveness. Because what was shown yesterday, the world saw the type of boss you are. The world Because those young boys who came, the police and what, there was one old man, that guy who was touching my hands like something else. That one is another day for another typical racist. You know, when he came, I don't know why I just came out of the house without pressing the live. I was just thinking, you know, police, I don't have bad blood with police. A big shout out to one police officer who is my best buddy, Finn Faugesten. He's a police officer at Hanosand. Very good police officer, because the father used to work in Zimbabwe for many years with the mother, and then they moved back to Sweden. But he's a good police officer. They are good people at the Hanosand station. But yesterday, people who came, let us not give them their bad blood. Mtumwa, we call it in Shona, Mtumwa Anambonji. You heard that guy. We were sent to do what we do. And when you hear people say, we are not here to represent you, we are here to represent Kronofogden. And Kronofogden were lying. That they had an inhibition. The result of the inhibition came today. I can show you. Where did I save my inhibition? I will show you as we speak. It came today. So I just wanted to show people right now. The inhibition. It came today. The beslut, we call it a beslut, like the decision. It came today. After the court have been pushed and whatever. Let's open things right. You know, I just want to clear this so that the police will see that I was not lying. Let's do like this. Forgive me, my boyfriend is not that, you know, smart, you know, but, you know, forgive me, bottles everywhere. So this is, you know, the message which came from the court. Let's open it together. We click here and we open. Let's open it together. Let's open it together. It came today. It came today. This is the message which what is happening now? Confidential. I know it's confidential. How do I open? How do I open this message? Just hold on, my people. I need to open for you. Not available. Did I save it? Just hold on. Let me send it to you. Wait, what are they saying about my dogs? Just hold on. I received a message about my dogs. What are they saying? What? Hey, please don't let me cry again. Oh. Veterinary? Copy. They said they're not. I received a message from the people who have my dogs. They want to what? They want to what? Please. I had a feeling that these people are not going to give me my dog. It's not yet decided that will happen to the dogs. We have noticed you. The bulldog seems to have eczema, rash. The Leonberger dog has tufts and face. There are also shortcomings of hoof care. Is that You see what is happening? They are now telling me stories about my dogs. You see how I break. You see, let me go there. Let me call her. No. You see, they are now telling me stories. Hey, this dog is sick. This dog is rash. This dog is what? My dogs are not sick. I can come and buy. If I was at my house, I would bring their documents. My dog is not sick. Hey. No. You cannot take my dogs away. No. We go there tomorrow. No, let's call them. Let's call Anstidosen. No, it cannot pour again, my people. I want my dogs. They're telling me that my dogs have got rash. No. Yes, I have a letter from they are asking me, do you have letter from the, yes, but I was chased out of the house. It was there, the documents for the boys. They can, in Sweden, we put dogs in, what do you call, microchips. They can just take this veterinary, they can take their machine and put all my dogs, the microchips here. They are microchips. They can test their dogs and see my dogs. They are vaccinated. everything. I last came from the vaccination of 3 years, you know, I think it was a couple of months ago, for 3 years. So in Sweden, you don't have to carry the cards of the dogs every time. They can just put a microchip here. I need to call and Tatelious. No. Let me respond. I'm coming to take my dogs tomorrow. Jesus, this is not fair. So you see why I'm everything. Now they've taken my dogs and they don't want to give me my dogs. Okay, let me respond nicely. You can check. You can check their microchips. So that you see all information. So that you see all their information. I'm coming to take my dogs tomorrow, please. I have, God, you see, people, I have to come and get my dogs tomorrow because I'm traveling with them, because I'm traveling to the UK. I cannot leave my dogs here. I'm traveling to the UK next week. So I need my dogs because I'm moving to another city. I need my dogs. I cannot move to another city and I leave my dogs here. No, because I need to move from this tragedy and do something else. Okay, let's respond to her. No, she cannot send. I'm not agreeing. It's still my dogs, even though I called them yesterday to help me to just take my dogs for 1 day because I didn't have anywhere to go. I was honest. I couldn't go and sleep with my dogs in the train station. I couldn't put my dogs under trauma, but they are my dogs. I didn't steal those dogs. So if tomorrow police are going to come and do something they must do, I need my dogs. No, you took the house, take it, but those are my dogs. Those are mine. I took care of them 5 years. It's my dogs. I got them when they were 4 weeks old. 4, small. Now you are telling that they don't look healthy. Who are you? Then we have a problem. Yeah, I'm going tomorrow. I'm coming tomorrow. You cannot say, so she thought she said in the morning, she sent me a message. We have made a decision that your dog the dogs are going to be sold on Tuesday next week if you don't come. Now she's saying they are waiting for a decision. I will read you the message. They are waiting for a decision, and she has been speaking with me very nice. What do the dogs eat? Then I said that they eat dry food, or what do you call it? Fresh food, and they eat this kind of amount and what. But Chami eats a lot, so you put extra for Chami. I was telling them, because it's my dogs after all. So now they want to take advantage, not my dogs. If it means I'm getting killed tomorrow, kill me. I need my dogs. No. Swedish. No. They want to kill me. They want to make me a psychopath. Now they are telling me stories of my dogs. Who told you that you should diagnose my dogs? They're fair, they're tough, they've what? Of course. I don't, I don't cut Bruce here because he likes to scratch himself, so I don't want him to hurt his skin. So I don't cut it. It's like that. Where I got the dog from Mariestad, the woman said, don't cut the hair too much. You are now a groomer. When you came yesterday, I said, just for 2 days. And she's not answering. But anyway, I sent the message. I sent the message that I'm going. That's how it is. Now they are deciding. Like they are treating as if I am. Why am I not getting my dogs back? You see what they even took my cars. Yesterday, as I was going, they said, can we have your car? I don't fight with the police, but tomorrow, please, the whole world will see. I'll start doing the lives, and if the police are coming, trust me, I'll start doing the lives as I am walking. The cameras will be on. Just mark my words. The cameras will be on. We cannot go on like this. I called them, please help me, my dogs. I don't take them. And I asked the lady who was there, and I said, will I be able to take my dogs back? Then she said, yes, if you have some way to go. Of course you have. That's why I gave you my dog. You didn't tell me that you stick with my dogs and you see? never stops. It's another story. But anyway, another story for tomorrow. We are going to get the dogs. You know, I never came out with clothes. I just came out with this. So I want to take my dogs and I go. I'm not leaving my dogs for anyone. They are now diagnosing. Diagnose your own dog. I've been taking care of the dog the Zimbabwean Swedish way. I'm a Zimbabwean. I'm Swedish too. So I've been taking these dogs my way. You know, don't teach me that. These dogs are... No. It's not making sense, my people. I was trying to call them, but now I think they are gone. What's happened? Oh yeah, the people where I'm going, you know, they have sent a confirmation of the rent paid 6 months, whatever. It's okay. So you know, I joined this live to say thank you. Now we hear the issues of the dogs. They know I have to collect my dogs. We cannot do like this. We cannot do. They should blame the lady who came to collect my dogs. She told me that as long as you find a place, we are going to give you your dogs. So I cannot go. That's why yesterday I didn't collect my dogs. I was busy running around. I cannot be walking with the dogs and, you know, trying to find something. But now it's settled. So I need my jobs. I miss Mandela Chap. I miss my dogs. Those dogs are my dogs. So if they are not giving me, I sleep where my dogs are. That's how we are going to do it tomorrow. They just open for me and I want my dogs. It's been trauma after trauma. I don't even have clothes to wear. I need to go and look for other clothes because the police said you cannot go to that property. And I filed a report about the lady, the Ulrika and whatever, the Helena. I cannot continue to work with them. You know, I need my case to be assigned right for people who are not racist. I have filed to their high office of Kronofogden. I have messaged them and I say I cannot work with narcissistic, racist mongers. Because you cannot manipulate the police to say you have the result when you didn't have it. You saw it was... Who is this one now? Maybe they've gone home or what, but they've seen my message. I will call, I need my dogs. No, who says that? Who says that? I didn't read this message, I was angry. You see, hey, asindoda wina roto. Chinhu zvacho zviri kubva zvandidididi. Asi chiko wewe. Nai, what is happening in my life? Dai maskana indakatadza kurara ndichipaparwa ndichifunga imboka dzangu nazo kunzi hausi imboka. Imi. No one, I will never be given best loot in 29. Otherwise, I will stay where my dogs are. Deal. I will stay where they are. Because I cannot, it's my babies. Those are the only relatives I have in Sweden. They make me same. So I have to go to my dogs. She said now, the county administrative body has not yet decided what will happen to the dogs. And it tends to vet the dogs before decision. We noticed yesterday that your dog are not well cared for. The bulldog seems to have rash eczema, like wounds, rashes. All dogs are overweight. My dogs, which I feed, are overweight. My dogs, which I give food, they are overweight. Nonsense. There also shortcomings of wolf care. As the dogs have been taken into care, this decision must be considered and revoked for the dogs to be returned to you. At present, the county administrative board does not intend to reconsider the decision. You need to explain what are the conditions care of the dogs look like, explain where the dogs should live, how they should receive care and nursing that is required, such as veterinary and fair care. Such not all dogs agree with each other. You don't need to explain and keep and she's now telling me that I cannot keep my dogs which is that Charmy Mandela and Bruce have stayed together for 5 years, almost 5 years. When I got my dogs when they were 4 weeks. Mandela got bruised yesterday when he got into the car and he was trying to come out of the window. That's when he got bruised. My dogs, they are peaceful.